Shelly's Homemade, and today, guys, we're going to be making some chicken noodle soup. For this chicken noodle soup, you're going to need some extra wide egg noodles, light and fluffy. You're going to need some chicken breast, chopped. You're going to need some onions, celery, carrots. I have some thyme and parsley chopped, and we're going to use some dry thyme. And you know we can't do nothing in this kitchen without some Shelly's house seasoning and a little bit of butter to saute everything up with. So, you know, it's that season, cold and flu season, and it's time, you know, and soup is such a comfort food when you're getting that done. Alright, so let's get started on this quick and simple yet easy recipe. So we're going to go over to the stove and start sauteing up our chicken. Okay, so I'm just going to get a little olive oil down. A little bit of butter. And we're going to do everything in this one pot. And, oh, I forgot 2 ingredients. That's because I'm not feeling good. You're going to use some chicken bouillon and some chicken breast. I'm going to get some Shelly's house seasoning down in here. Now, if you don't have Shelly's house seasoning, you can watch my videos, you would know exactly what was in here. But if you don't have, if you didn't make your own Shelly's house seasoning, guys, use your favorite all-purpose seasoning. So I'm going to get a few tablespoons on this chicken because we want to season the chicken. And then we're going to add some dry thyme because it can take it. Then in here, the first time and parsley we're going to add going towards the end. Once I add the liquid, I'm going to add that. I'm going to add that too early. So we're going to cook up this chicken. So when this chicken comes to where I want it, and I'm going to show you guys what to do next. Okay, so now that we have the chicken where we want it, go ahead and add some minced garlic. You want a nice good tablespoon. Some chicken base. It's salty, so you don't want to put too much, but a good teaspoon. Let's get that all mixed in, because it's going to intensify that chicken flavor. That chicken base is going to help get that chicken flavor all through this chicken. I'm going to take it, make sure we coat the actual chicken. I'm going to get down in that sauce. Now we're going to add our onions, celery, and carrot. And the only thing that I chopped small was those onions. I know that I'm getting some of this parsley and stuff in here, but it's on the plate. I'll go in there eventually anyway. Look at that. It's already starting to make juice already. Yes. It's delicious. All ready, guys. Now, we're going to go in again with some Shelly's house seasoning. Because, you know, we're going to season at every level. Because we want them vegetables to have some flavor. Alright. Now we're going to go in with our low sodium chicken broth. Now, if you have regular chicken broth, just cut back on your all-purpose seasoning or your Shelly's house seasoning or whatever your favorite seasoning is. Just hold back on some of the salt. We're going to put this whole 32 ounce right in here. And we're going to add some water. Because chicken noodle soup has a lot of broth. I just put water right in here. Or you can just use 2 of these. It'll work just fine. Alright. Now we're going in with the rest of our parsley and thyme. Does not take long at all to make a good homemade pot of chicken noodle soup, guys. This is what you want when you're feeling good. So, I'm going to put a lid on this. I'm going to let this cook up. When I come back, we're going to add those noodles. We're going to give it a taste for seasoning and flavor. And if I think I need to go back in and put some stuff, I'm going to do it on camera and let you guys see. And then after we test it for flavor and everything, we're going to go in, put the noodles in. The noodles take about another 8 minutes. Not even 8, 7, 6 minutes to cook up. These are egg noodles. They cook up really quickly. All of it, everything goes into this pan. So this is a one-pot wonder, guys. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, so let's give it a taste test. Ooh, it's boiling hot. Look at this. Oh, it smells. So what I can smell? It smells great. Taste. Delicious. I'm gonna add a little bit of Shelly's house seasoning. Just a little bit more. And all of the ingredients and everything will be in the description box, guys. All of our new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. And everyone who's been here with me, I love you guys. And if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. Ooh. Alright, let's add our noodles. And add about a cup. Cup or two. I don't like a lot of noodles. Going down. Right in there. Alright. Steal all my bro. This looks amazing. Once the noodles get done, we'll be back to plate this baby up. Alright. This is done. Look at that. The noodles, the carrots, ooh, the onion, the herbs. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to plate this up and y'all can just meet me at the counter. Alright guys, let's go in for a taste. Looks absolutely amazing. Look at the carrots, the veggies in here, the celery, onion. You get chicken and noodles with every bite. Chicken noodle soup, guys. Chicken noodle soup. Comfort food. Don't forget to hit that like button on your way out. Share this video if you guys can. I would really, really appreciate it. It helps the algorithm. I appreciate it. It helps me get more subscribers so that I can keep bringing y'all guys these delicious meals all the time. Alright, let's go in. Enough chit chat. This is amazing. Why get a can when you can make this delicious soup? It tastes so good, so comforting, and it's so easy to make. And I don't feel good, and I make a whole grain soup. As I'm telling you. And I wanted to get a carrot too. Some of this delicious chicken, guys. Mm. This is so delicious. I'm sorry. Alright, guys. As always, have a wonderful day, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.